Alright, so today we're talking splash guards on this 2015 Chevy Express. I'm going to do the fronts and rears. I've already done the rears. They're pretty simple, straightforward. The great thing about it is the set that comes with these bolts, and really the only thing you have to do is remove and replace this little mud guard. And got my helper there. This little mud guard, it has, I think, 4 of these little mushroom plungers. So what you do is you just pull that up and this will come straight out. And then really straightforward from there. You don't need to remove the rear wheel or anything to get in there. They're already pre-drilled holes, and these bolts come with this nice silicone on them. So when you put them on, they fit nice and snug, really easy, straightforward install. So I just wanted to show you that. But the main thing I'm doing this video for is for the fronts here. And let me see if I can get you the part number. So this is the GM part number for these. And this is a little trickier install, but it's still quite easy. I'm actually working on the other side, but I'm going to show you from this side. So you're going to remove this little plug that allows you to move this splash guard out of the way, and then we're going to drill, and this is all plastic here, so it drills nice and easy. The instructions say to use a 1/4 inch drill. I found it better to use a 3/16 because when you go to put in, let me see if I can find them. When you go to put in the screws, if you drill 1/4 inch, it's oversized and these want to just fall through. If you use 3/16, these screws go in nice and easy, and then you can put these metal backers on far easier. So, and then it comes with this little cap, and that goes on this very last hole that you're gonna drill. And it goes over that screw. But let's move around to the other side so I can show you what we're talking about. And so what I've done, you're gonna crank your wheel over, and it's gonna give you a little bit more working room. So I pre-drilled that, and then on the back side, you're gonna put one of these onto that screw and tighten it down, and same thing on these two. That's pretty straightforward, but and then finally you're gonna drill one hole here to put in that one that has the backing on it. But that's it, real easy install, and super nice, slick fit. These are paintable. I'm just gonna leave mine black, but great investment. I think I paid $99 for all 4 on eBay. I bought it from somebody who was selling them on eBay, but it's an OEM. Don't buy aftermarket, just go with the straight OEM. It comes with all the instructions. It's just really nice, definitely worth the investment. Good luck. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you much.